How to add text in Beyond Video Editor. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips. Once your project is open, look for the text icon with the plus sign in the timeline and tap on it. You will see two options, text and SRT files. Select text to add captions, titles or any text directly to your video. In VN, you can choose from a variety of fonts, colors and styles to customize your text. Type your desired words, adjust the size, position and rotation on the video preview, and apply animations or effects to make the text dynamic and engaging. You can also control the duration of each text layer to decide when it appears and disappears in your video. Multiple text layers can be added for captions, subtitles or highlighting important moments. Once you are happy with how your text looks and fits in your video, your project is ready for the next step. Now you know how to add text in VN Video Editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.